Digital locking systems make it possible to manage access to the building securely and flexibly. Smart Intego enables the integration of the SimonsVoss digital locking system directly into the entire building management system without the need for a separate database. This way, companies have an overview of time recording, access control, video surveillance, fire alarms, security systems, and many more features all on one platform. There are 3 ways to integrate the digital locking system. In wireless online mode, the locking components are connected via radio and communicate directly with the management system through gateways. The data is exchanged in real time and the status of all locks can be monitored live. This allows users to manage rights very flexibly and view events. In SimonsVoss Virtual Card Network mode, data exchange takes place via update terminals, which are, for example, installed in the entrance area. They transfer the access authorizations to identification media. These, in turn, handle the data transfer between the locking component and the management system. The exchange of data such as access rights, access logs, and battery status takes place with every locking operation. This is a more cost-effective option, as no network infrastructure is required and the system operates completely wirelessly. SimonsVoss also supports the OSS standard offline protocol. This allows Smart Intego components to be managed within an OSS management system. The 3 Smart Intego variants offer the user significant advantages. The components of Smart Intego can be easily integrated into any IT infrastructure. Extremely long battery life reduces maintenance effort and follow-up costs. SimonsVoss components guarantee the highest level of security because they are certified for all relevant security standards such as VDS, SKG, and PAS-24. With a proven 1.5 million mechanical operations, components from SimonsVoss are durable and extremely robust. The extensive SimonsVoss product portfolio offers suitable solutions for every door situation, whether indoors or outdoors. Smart Intego from SimonsVoss is used in many industries with a wide range of requirements. Healthcare, education sector, industry, finance, transport, public authorities, hospitality, logistics. Many customers place their trust in Smart Intego from SimonsVoss, such as Credit Union in Ireland.
The great part about it is the aesthetic of the handles. It doesn't look like you have this intrusive system applied to your doors. The handles are really sleek. It's made it a lot more attractive and a much cleaner banking space for our members to be in.
Together with our SimonsVoss Smart Intego partners, we are happy to find solutions for all our customers' requirements.